Okay, good evening, everybody. I'm Vice Forecaster, Illinois Stormwatch Forecaster JD Rapp with you back in the Illinois Stormwatch Weather Center. We're tracking some strong to severe thunderstorm warnings in St. Louis right now. The National Weather Service has issued multiple warnings. This includes parts of north central Clare County and central Illinois, St. Louis County and central Missouri, eastern Missouri, central St. Louis County, central Missouri, into around 6 p.m. At 5:06, 5:16, a severe thunderstorm located near St. Allen, moving at 25 miles an hour. Hazard is 60 miles of wind gusts and quarter-size hail. So if you live in Fairgreen, Overland, Becklin, St. John, Woodson Terrace, Baxton around Park around 5:20, Lake Dew, Dowwood. If you listen to any of these communities, you definitely probably want to move to the lowest floor of the building. We have that, and we have one report of 60 miles of wind and very heavy rainfall. So flash flooding is going to become a concern, and also we have a severe thunderstorm warning that does include wind wood. This is a severe thunderstorm warning, and that should be moving out of the warm area. This new one goes in effect for Moore County and southwestern Illinois, western St. Clair County, and western Illinois, Jefferson County, and central Missouri, southwestern St. Louis County, southwestern Missouri to 6 p.m. At 5:24, a severe thunderstorm located near Witcher, moving north-southwest around 25 miles an hour. 60 miles of wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Train weather spotter reported 60 miles of wind gusts in St. Charles County. So definitely, if you live in Valley Park, Twins Parks at 5:30, Kirkwood around 5:35. Floating, Bird, Mill. Oakland Height range around 5:40. So this is a severe thunderstorm warning. Main threat, if you live in any of these areas, include Cartwood, Sunset, Hills, Village, Simpson, and St. George. This includes Interstate 44 Missouri with 2 miles mark, 264 and 277. Interstate 55 Missouri between 109 and 94. This is a severe thunderstorm warning, and this goes through about 6 p.m. Damage and winds are going to be the biggest concern. Can't completely roll out a spin up because we already have rotation. If that moves in, very strong winds. Chesterfield, you're in a severe thunderstorm warning, and that's what we have to watch. So I'm concerned this line will put things in motion here real quick and back out. And you can see, if you're just joining this from home, whatever you're watching this from today, we've been dealing with showers and thunderstorms in the last couple hours. Just been watching these storms really closely today, because sometimes they do have a huge punch of rotation, sometimes with wind damage, and also that. So let's go back in here. I'll put the next frame here, and if this holds together, it would be part of Belleville. We'll be going on my page. We'll go on my television market. If that happens, Maryland Heights, you're in this. So if it moves to Belleville, then it holds together here. It'll be moving to Nashville, New Haven, maybe part of Collinsville. I mean, Collinsville way up here, but yeah, our northern counties could get this line, and we're already getting damage to the north here of Adams, Illinois, of 4-foot diameter tree snapped in half. So we're getting some wind damage, folks. That was earlier. Alright, new severe thunderstorm warning has just got issued. This is for St. Louis, so Reynolds, Rawls County, Central Missouri, and South Central Marion County, Central Missouri to 6:30. At 5:30, a severe thunderstorm was located near Peopleton, moving at 30 miles an hour. hazard of 60 miles of wind gusts and quarter-size hail. So if you live in Moore City or Richardson Spinning area, you definitely need to be in your severe thunderstorm safe spot. I mean, be prepared for some gusty winds up to 60. There could be a little rotation. That's the biggest thing. There have been some couplets. We're not talking about any strong tornadoes, but there could be some very heavy rainfall, or we could get a funnel cloud or something that could spin up. We would have to watch that. What we thought could happen earlier. So we will break in, keep your family safe today. I'll be in all even long, but I'm going to tell you, these storms are really growing right now, and this is why we're continuing. We'll keep you updated, break in as we need to today, and pass along any advisories as we think there need to be issued.